Welcome to my video lecture on the application of ICT in research. We are going to finish the second unit of NET research aptitude. Welcome dear friends, let us straight away enter into the topic. What is the application of ICT in research? That is transforming knowledge acquisition and distribution. This is how we utilize ICT for research. Information and communication technology has transformed research by giving scientists access to strong instruments for sharing, collaborating, analyzing and collecting data. தரவுகளை பகிர்ந்து கொள்வதற்கு, தரவுகளை இருவர் மூவராக சேர்ந்து பெறுவதற்கு, பகுப்பாய்வு செய்வதற்கு சில கருவிகள், மிக மிக சக்தி வாய்ந்த கருவிகளை அறிவியல் அறிஞர்கள் பெற்றிருக்கிறார்கள் இந்த ஆய்விலே. அந்த கருவிகள் தான் இந்த ரிசர்ச்சையே மாற்றி அமைக்கின்றன. மிக துல்லியமான ஒரு ஆராய்ச்சியாக அதை மாற்றுகிறது. ஸோ ICT helps in transforming knowledge acquisition and distribution also. It has become richer than ever before. Secondly, this study looks at how ICT affects knowledge distribution and discovery in a variety of research domains. It goes through how ICT can be used for gathering information So, ICT can be used for gathering, organizing, analyzing data as well as for communicating, working together, publishing research results and thinking through ethical issues. So, ICT integration has increased scientific advancement, increased efficiency and fostered interdisciplinary collaboration. So, different பாட புலங்களுக்கு இடையே ஒரு ஒத்துழைப்பை இது ஏற்படுத்தி இருக்கிறது ஐசிடி இன்டகிரேஷன். ஸோ ஐசிடி ஒருங்கிணைப்பு விஞ்ஞான முன்னேற்றத்தை துரிதப்படுத்தியுள்ளது, வேகப்படுத்தியுள்ளது. இது அதிகரித்த அந்த செயல்திறன் மற்றும் பல்துறை ஒத்துழைப்பை ஊக்குவிக்கிறது. Then information and communication technology is really helpful for research. It is like a super tool that changes how research is done, making it faster and easier. ICT includes lots of different technologies that help store, find, change and share information. For researchers, ICT offers many tools and platforms that make different parts of their projects easier to manage. இன்று எளிதாக ஆராய்ச்சியை கையாள்வதற்கு ஐசிடி மிகவும் துணை புரிகின்றது. ஐசிடியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பல்வேறு வகையான கருவிகள், அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய வெப்சைட்ஸ் போன்றவையெல்லாம் இன்று ஆராய்ச்சியை வளமிக்கதாக மாற்றுகின்றன என்று நாம் சொல்ல முடியும். தென் டேட்டா அக்விசிஷன் அண்ட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், தரவு கையகப்படுத்துதல் மற்றும் மேலாண்மை. ரிசர்ச் இன்வால்வ்ஸ் கெட்டிங் அண்ட் ஹேண்ட்லிங் டேட்டா. ஐசிடி helps a lot with this. It makes the whole process easier and more dependable. Online surveys, for an example, they are like digital questionnaires that people can fill out on the internet. They are made using special tools like Google Forms, SurveyMonkey and Qualtrics. These tools help researchers make surveys, send them to lots of different people and collect answers quickly. This helps researchers get a wider range of responses from people all over the place. மிக பெரிய ஆராய்ச்சிக்கு பல ஆயிரக்கணக்கான சாம்பிள்ஸ் தேவைப்படுகின்ற காலகட்டத்தில் இது போன்ற ஆன்லைன் சர்வே என்பது மிகவும் பயனளிக்கக்கூடியது. In no time we can get responses from thousands of people through online surveys. Then researchers nowadays use small devices called sensors and Internet of Things gadgets to gather information from different places as it happens. They use technology to bring together and organize this data, which helps them learn new things for their research. These sensors can be put in many areas like checking the environment, keeping track of people's health, monitoring farms or even managing traffic. So for all this, These sensors will be of great help. This will be helpful in research also in these areas. Then data repositories and databases. தகவல் களஞ்சியங்கள், தகவல் தளங்கள். There are places on the internet where lots of different kinds of information are stored. These are called data repositories or databases. Thanks to technology, there are many of these now holding both organized and unorganized information. People who are doing research can go to these places online to find data that is useful for their own research. This saves them from having to collect all the data themselves, which would take a lot of time and money. So they can rely on these data repositories. Some examples of these data repositories are PubMed, Archive, and databases run by governments. Then let us discuss on the data analysis and visualization. Once the data is acquired, researchers need to analyze and interpret it to derive meaningful insights and conclusions. ICT offers a wide range of tools and software for data analysis, statistical modeling, and visualization, empowering researchers to make informed decisions based on the data. Statistical analysis software. There are certain software, in statistics which will be helpful for research. புள்ளியியல் பகுப்பாய்வு மென்பொருள். Software such as R, Python, with the libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy, SPSS, and SAS enable researchers to perform complex statistical analysis on their data sets. These tools facilitate regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and other advanced statistical techniques critical for research. Then data visualization tools, தரவு காட்சிப்படுத்துதல் கருவிகள். Effective visualization of data is essential for conveying research findings in a clear and understandable manner. ICT tools like Tableau, Power BI, D3, ggplot to allow researchers to create interactive and visually appealing charts, graphs, and infographics, aiding in the presentation of research outcomes. Today, AI, artificial intelligence, helps in effective visualization of data, no doubt about it. Then machine learning and artificial intelligence, இயந்திர கற்றல் மற்றும் செயற்கை நுண்ணறிவு. Advancements in machine learning and AI have significantly influenced data analysis in research. ICT enables the application of machine learning algorithms for pattern recognition, predictive modeling, and data classification, assisting researchers in uncovering very difficult relationship or confused complex relationship within the data. Then collaboration and communication. Collaboration is a fundamental aspect of modern research, often involving teams of researchers working together across different geographic locations. ICT provides an extensive set of tools and platforms that facilitate a seamless collaboration and communication among researchers. What are the collaboration platforms? ICT tools such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace enable real-time collaborations through document sharing, video conferencing, instant messaging, and project management. Then there is cloud computing. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way research teams store, share, and access data and resources. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure often offer scalable and secure storage solutions, enabling collaborative research efforts regardless of geographical constraints. So cloud computing. Then virtual research environments, VREs. VREs are comprehensive online platforms that integrate various ICT tools, enabling researchers to collaborate and work on projects in a virtual setting. These environments provide a centralized hub for data sharing, analysis, and communication, enhancing interdisciplinary collaboration. Then publication and dissemination. The dissemination of research findings is a crucial step in the research process, allowing the broader scientific community and the public to benefit from the discoveries. ICT has transformed the way research is published and disseminated. Then there are ethical considerations in research through ICT. While ICT offers immense benefits in research, it also raises ethical considerations that the researchers need to address to maintain the integrity and credibility of their work. There is a data privacy and security. தரவு தனியுரிமை மற்றும் பாதுகாப்பு. Researchers must ensure the privacy and security of the data they collect and manage using ICT tools. Following protection regulations and employing encryption and secure storage methods are essential practices to reduce the risk associated with the data breaches. Next, intellectual property and copyright. அறிவுசார் சொத்து மற்றும் பதிப்புரிமை. Researchers need to be aware of the intellectual property rights and copyright laws when utilizing ICT for research. Proper attribution to the research scholars by whom you have got certain points, licensing and adherence to copyright regulations are crucial to avoid legal problems and respect the rights of content creators. Then bias and fairness in data analysis. தரவு பகுப்பாய்வில் சார்பு மற்றும் நேர்மை. சார்பில்லா தன்மை இருக்க வேண்டும், நேர்மை இருக்க வேண்டும். Incorporating measures to address bias in data analysis and machine learning models is vital to ensure fair and unbiased research outcomes. Researchers must strive to minimize biases relating to race, gender, and other factors that could influence the interpretation of research findings. Questions and explanation. What does ICT stand for in the context of research? Is it internet communication technology, integrated computer tools, information and communication technologies, international collaboration techniques? What is the correct answer? What does ICT stand for in the context of research? That is information and communication technologies. That is the expansion of ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology and refers to the use of technology to handle information and facilitate communication. Second question, which of the following is a primary benefit of using ICT in research? Reducing the need for human involvement, increasing the cost of research projects, slowing down the research process, limiting data storage options. What would be the correct answer? Which is the primary benefit of using ICT in research? Reducing the need for human involvement. ICT can automate tasks, streamline data analysis, and reduce the need for extensive manual work, making research more efficient. How does ICT contribute to knowledge discovery in research? Is it by suppressing innovation and creativity, by increasing the complexity of data analysis, by facilitating data collection and analysis, or by restricting access to information? So how does ICT contribute to knowledge discovery in research? That is by facilitating data collection and analysis. ICT helps researchers collect, analyze and interpret data more effectively, thereby aiding in knowledge discovery. What is a digital repository in the context of research? A physical library with paper documents, a system for sharing and storing digital research materials, a dedicated research laboratory, a type of microscope. Which would be the correct answer? What is a digital repository in the context of research? It is a system for sharing and storing digital research materials. Digital repositories are online platforms used to store and share research materials such as articles, datasets, and reports. Which ICT tool is commonly used for collaborative research efforts in real time? Is it email, social media, video conferencing, paper-based notebooks? So, video conferencing is the ICT tool that is commonly used for collaborative research efforts in real time. Video conferencing allows researchers to collaborate in real time regardless of the physical locations, making it a valuable tool for collaborative research. How does the big data analysis impact research in the ICT age? So what is the question? How does big data analysis impact research in ICT age? Which would be the correct answer? It decreases the relevance of data in research. Is it so? It simplifies data analysis. Is it so? It enables the handling and analysis of massive data set. Is it true? It eliminates the need for data analysis. Is it true? What would be the correct answer? It enables the handling and analysis of massive data sets. It helps the researchers to handle and analyze the massive data sets. That is the big data analysis impact on the research. What is the role of open access publishing in knowledge dissemination through ICT? It limits access to research findings. It promotes a free and unrestricted access to research publications. It restricts the use of digital tools in publishing. It only allows access to subscription-based journals. Which is the correct one? It promotes a free and unrestricted access to research publications. Open access publishing makes the research findings available to a wider audience as they are freely accessible online. Which ICT tool is commonly used for creating and maintaining bibliographies and citations? Microsoft Word, Google Search, reference management software like EndNote, social media platforms. Which ICT tool is commonly used for creating and maintaining bibliographies and citations? That is reference management software like EndNote. The reference management software helps the researchers organize and format citations and bibliographies efficiently. What is the primary function of data visualization tools in research? To make data analysis slower and more cumbersome, to hide data from the audience, to present data in a clear and understandable manner, to delete data after analysis. What is the primary function of data visualization tool in research? That is to present data in a clear and understandable manner. That is the function of data visualization tool. So data visualization tool helps a researcher present complex data in a visually accessible format. How does the use of virtual reality, மெய்நிகர் உண்மை, impact research in various fields? It has no relevance to research. It enhances the experiential learning and simulations in research. Is it true? It slows down the research process. It reduces the need for collaboration in research. So, how does the use of virtual reality impact research in various fields? It enhances experiential learning and simulations in research. Virtual reality can be used to create immersive simulations and experiences which can be valuable for research, especially in fields like medicine and education. Thank you very much, dear friends. God bless you abundantly. Let us meet in other video lecture. Almost I have given so far 8 parts for research aptitude in unit 2 of NET. One more video is there, the final one. Perhaps you will be benefiting a lot if you go through all the videos one by one. Thank you very much for your presence. Let us meet in the last video as early as possible. Thank you very much.